And one thing that I also find that with these hardwood floors, dust and dirt builds up on the staircase as well, like really heavily. So I usually have to sweep down my stairs at least 3 times a week because the dust and dirt builds up. And I do the deep cleaning, which is cleaning the back plates of the stairs as well as the handrail and the slats. I usually do that twice a year because that does not collect as much dirt and dust as the actual stair treads and the back plates of the stairs. So, like I said, I usually clean those twice a year and I usually sweep 3 times a week. I want to thank you for taking the time out of your day to be a part of mine. And also, if you like this type of content, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I really appreciate all the new subscribers and for those that are commenting down in the comment section below, letting me know where you're from. I really appreciate that. Thanks again for tuning in, and always remember to clean your house one day at a time, one chore at a time. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.